Hi, welcome to week 11 of science. This week, as you can see, we are not talking about the food chain. In fact, we are going to be taking a look at the human body. So, we know from learning about the food chain that we need to eat in order to survive. There's a process for that. We know how the food chain now works. We also know that there are different types of eaters. There's herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores. Carnivores being meat eaters, herbivores being plant eaters, and omnivores being someone who eats both meat and plants. Well, so as we put food into our body, it is now really important to understand how does our body work? What is our body doing that to help us out during all of this? So this is where the human body comes into play. We will be taking from now until Christmas to learn not only about the human body, but we will also learn about its systems. So when we learn about the body, we have organs. That's what you see in front of you. The systems are things like the skeletal system, the muscular system, the cardiovascular system, and our nervous system. These are all things that you will come to understand over the next few weeks. They may not make a lot of sense to you right now. But let's take a look at the body and let's take a look at our organs. Why are our organs important? Well, I mentioned to you about eating. Whether you're a carnivore, an herbivore, or an omnivore, you are putting food into your body. When you put food into your body, you are feeding yourself, you're giving yourself energy. But unfortunately, sometimes there are bad things in our food. So, our organs, their job is to make sure those bad things go away. So, let's go ahead and take a look at the organs we will be focusing on this week. Over here on the left side, we will be taking a look at our liver. And the liver has a very important job when it comes to our blood and making sure that all the yucky stuff, or what we would call toxins, stay out of our body. Working with the liver over on the right side would be our kidneys. The kidneys are right below our liver. They also have an important job when it comes to our blood, but they also help to take care of um, starting a process for getting rid of stuff we don't need, which is called waste. So our kidneys work with our liver, but they also work with our next two organs, the intestines and the bladder. You've probably heard about your bladder. That's where your pee goes so that when your body drinks a lot, eventually you have to go. The bladder is where your urine, that is the official name for pee, your urine is stored in your bladder and then releases out. Your intestines work with the kidneys also, and that's what helps to break down your other type of waste, which is called feces or poop. So as the week goes on, we will learn more about our body, learn more about the organs and how they work. If you have any questions, problems, please let me know. Next week, week 12, we will take a quiz on these organs. So please pay close attention so that you have a better understanding of how your body